Hi, I'm Sherri Smith, Editor-in-Chief of Laptop Mag, and it is that time of year again. That's right, it is Samsung Unpacked time. So ahead of Unpacked, Samsung has given us the opportunity to go hands-on with some of the devices that you'll be seeing very, very soon. So in my hand, I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. So as you can see, we're sticking to the original design, still very much a flip phone. Very lovely one at that. You're going to be able to get this in 4 colors, so mint, cream, graphite, and lavender. Now if you go on to Samsung's actual site, they'll have some more exclusive colors, but you'll have to go to the site to check that out. Pricing has not been released yet. You'll have to wait till Unpacked to actually get info on that. But let's just talk about the phone really quick. So starting with the display. So here you have a 3.8 inch display. It's super AMOLED, so very bright, very colorful. And as you can see, you've got your cameras here. So you've got 10 megapixels here. And if we open it, you get a lovely 6.7 inch display. Very lovely. And let's get out of the context screen. Like, there we go. That's better. So as you can see, this is a dynamic AMOLED display, 2X, and it has the 120 hertz adaptive responsive display. So depending on what you're doing, it can go from 1 hertz or it can go to 120 hertz if you're gaming or doing something a little bit more taxing. So let's talk specs. Starting with the processor, you get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. In terms of RAM, you're looking at 8 gigs of RAM with up to 512 gigs of storage. So pretty good, but you know, like, definitely want some cloud service, because if you're like me, video, pictures, all that, this will fill that up very quickly. In terms of durability, you've got an IPX8 rating for this phone, which means that this can be submerged up to 1 meter in fresh water. This is not a beach ready phone. Do not think, like, if this drops in the ocean, it's a wrap, folks. So keep that in mind. Lakes, toilets, those are fine. Other things of note, the battery. So we're going to have a 34 milliamp battery. Can't wait to see what that's going to turn into on our battery test. And just going through it, it's a very solid phone. It's going to launch with Android 13, of course, using Samsung Skin on it. And while I have not bought into the foldable yet, like, every time I see one of these, every time I hold one, I feel myself coming over to this side from my Galaxy 23 or whatever I'm rocking at the current moment. In terms of camera, as I mentioned, the front-facing cam is going to be 10 megapixels. The rear-facing, that's going to be 12 megapixels. So you get you get a wide and an ultra wide. And this is a very, very quick look at the sleek, the slim, the foldable Galaxy Z Flip 5. I am Sherri Smith for Laptop Mag, and for more coverage on everything that Samsung has to offer at this Unpacked, stay tuned to Laptop Mag.